If you're facing a billing hold on your Chase Bank account, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Review your account status. Check your account for any notifications or messages from Chase regarding the billing hold. This will help you understand the reason behind the hold. Step 2. Contact customer service. Call Chase Bank's customer service at the number on the back of your card. Explain your situation and ask for assistance in removing the billing hold. Step 3. Verify your identity. Be prepared to verify your identity. Have your account information, personal identification, and any relevant details ready to expedite the process. Step 4. Follow instructions. Listen carefully to the representative's instructions. They may require you to provide additional information or complete specific actions to lift the hold. Step 5. Confirm resolution. After following the necessary steps, confirm that the billing hold has been removed by checking your account online or via the mobile app. If the hold persists, contact customer service again for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the billing hold on your Chase Bank account efficiently.